Did you know you can make something amazing with just eggs, Oreos, and a handful of other ingredients? Begin with the Oreos. I have 30 Oreos here, 4 large eggs, a half cup of sugar, a half cup of oil, 1 cup of milk. So you mix until it's well combined. Now I have a half cup of all-purpose flour. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder. Give that a whisk. Just pour that mixture in here. Get it all out. And now we'll add that dry mixture and we'll just whisk that in. Okay, now it should be really runny like this. Perfect. And now I have a bundt cake pan, or you could use a couple of regular round cake pans or a 13 by 9 inch cake pan. I buttered it and floured it. And then we just want to pour this in there evenly. And if you haven't figured it out by now, we are making a Oreo Bundt Cake. And now we put this in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, which is right around 200 Celsius, and we will bake it for 35 to 40 minutes until when you poke it with a long wooden skewer, it comes out clean. Just allow it to cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can transfer it to a wire rack or something like a cake pedestal like I'm going to do here. I'm just going to put that on and just flip it over. And look at that. And top it with some powdered sugar. So light and fluffy. Mmm.